What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making this bomb. Oh my god, it's so freaking good. This bomb lobster with tomato gravy over cheese grits. When I tell you this joint slaps, bro, it really slapped like OD. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is cook your bacon. Right now I'm adding some olive oil to the pan, and then I'm gonna add in my chopped up bacon and just cook that out until it's cooked. Then once it's cooked, we're going to take it out, and then we're going to add in our shallots and cook that out. Make sure you turn your pan down. I feel like I had mine's OD high. Probably was going to kill the freaking what's this? The shallot. But yeah, turn it down to like medium heat. Then we're going to add in our tomatoes and let that, get busy. Then we're going to add in some minced garlic. Then we're going to add in our cajun seasoning and continue to stir that. Then we're going to add in our bacon, and then we're going to add in some chicken broth. I was just in here eyeballing the chicken broth, but I'm going to leave a good estimate in the description box. Now we're just going to let this reduce on low heat for a few minutes. I would say like 7 to 10 minutes. Then we're going to add in some heavy cream. Then we're going to season it with some red pepper flakes, some oregano, salt, and butter. I don't know if you guys peeped, but I finally reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm kind of shocked right now because I did not expect to do that within my first year on YouTube. Honestly, I thought I was going to just be stuck at like 100. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. And also, I appreciate the fact that now I get to collect $1 from YouTube because, when you have 1,000 subscribers, they're not going to pay you jack. So yeah, thank you guys so much. This is awesome. All right, let's get back to the video. So now we're going to add in our freshly squeezed lemon juice and just stir that around. Make sure to taste it at this point to see if it needs anything else, but I mean, it should be good. Now, this is actually my favorite part because I love grits so much. It took me so long to figure out how to make creamy grits, and I watched so many YouTube videos. I looked up so many different recipes, and the secret is milk. So if you're still making your grits with water, girl or boy, you got to get with the program because water grits, we better than that. So we're gonna add some milk, and we're gonna use salt. I know some people that they use sugar. Listen, we're not doing that over here. So we're gonna add in salt, and then we're gonna add in our grits and just constantly stir that around. Now once it gets like super thick, you want to go ahead and turn the heat on low, and then add in some more milk if you need to, because we want these grits like soft. I don't really like hard grits. So yeah, we're not doing that today. But yeah, this is what the grits is supposed to look like. And then we're gonna add in our cheese. Oh my god, I can just taste this right now. Then we're gonna stir that around. And adding the cheese is like almost the second to last step. So at this point you should turn your heat off and just let the cheese melt. And then we're going to add in some butter. You cannot make grits without butter. Like, you just can't. Boom, that's done. Just make sure you salt your liquid and not try to salt the grits because it's going to be a disaster. You're going to add in like the whole thing of salt. So make sure you just salt your liquid before you add in your grits. I just want to emphasize that. Then we're going to salt our water. This is the last step. We're going to salt our water, bring it to a boil. Then we're going to add in the lobster. For these lobsters, I'm just going to cook them for like 5 minutes and then take them out. Now we're going to cut the lobsters and take them out of the shell. I would recommend you get a towel for this because the lobster is pretty sharp. I thought I was on my thug life mess today, so yeah. But get a towel because this joint hurt. I don't even know why I played myself. Look at that, perfecto. So now we're just gonna place the lobster tails in the gravy and just coat. Girl, talk. Coat it with the sauce, with the gravy. Damn. Only do this for a minute because you don't want OD overcooked lobster tails. I just said the same thing twice, right? If you're from New York, you know what I just said. OD overcooked. That made a lot of sense to you just right now. Right now. But anyway, yeah, you don't want your lobster tails overcooked. OD. So just only do that for a minute. And now it's time to finally plate. I'm gonna show you guys how I plate this up. Um, yeah, I don't know how you guys plating skills are, but maybe you could try to mimic mine. So yeah, now we're gonna go for it. I don't know about you guys, but this looks amazing. This looks like some OD fancy dish, but it's really not that serious. Like, it's some regular dish. But anyway, yeah, this is how I plated it. Um, Let me know if you guys can do the same. I don't know how advanced you are in cooking and plating, but try to mimic this. And yeah, this is my lobster tail with tomato gravy over cheese grits. It's so bomb. It's so good. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.